treasure, riches untold. International stacker, here to say, shiny vibes coming your way. Silver shines, gold's the glow. Stack it high, watch it grow. Giveaways for all, feel the thrill. International stacker chasing that mill. Coins and bars, rare to find. Treasure hunting, one of a kind. Join the crew, let's explore. Stack up wealth and so much more. Chasing that mill. Maps and clues, giveaways tonight. Silver dream shining bright. Roll the dice, take a chance. Treasure calls, we're in a dance. Silver shines, gold's the glow. Stack it high, watch it grow.
Mic check 1 2. Do you guys have me? Mic check 1 2. Mic check. Let's go. Join the quest. Stay await. Stacker. Stacker.
Where you belong. Chasing that mill. So hit that sub, join the quest. Riches await, you're the best. International stacker, stacking strong. Silver, gold, where you belong.
Let's go. I'm putting out the tweet on Twitter. Go to Twitter and retweet my tweet going live.
Chasing that mill.
Let's go. Who's ready?
Crabs are grooving side to side. Ocean waves where dreams collide. Claws are up, the beat we chase. Treasure gleaming, golden space. Get your claws up, don't delay. Yeah, join the party night and day. Gold and silver is the key. Crustacean nation, dance with me.
Let's go.
Gold and silver, who wants it all?
Who wants it all?
Are you ready for the mega god?
Mega God.
The crew,
The crew.
Shell Brigade. Treasures found, the music's played. Get your claws up, don't delay. Yeah, join the party night and day. Gold and silver is the key. Crustacean nation, dance with me. Tidal rhythms in the sand, shiny spoils laid by hand. We're the crew, the Shell Brigade. Treasures found, the music's played. Get your claws up.
Who's ready?
Sky International Stacker.
Yes.
He's our guide.
Let's go.
Gold and silver is the key.
Let's go.
Station nation, dance with me.
Let's get it. Let's go.
Dance with me.
Let's go.
Dance with me.
Let's go.
Dance with me.
Yes.
Dance with me.
stacker on a journey to find silver. International Stacker. Ladies and gentlemen, the name is International Stacker. I'm coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. And boy, oh boy, did silver just explode. I've been waiting all morning for some movement. We've been moving sideways, and I'm like, I'll go live when it goes live. And wow, it went live so quick. A new all-time high for silver. New all-time high for silver. This is not a drill. $70.30. That's what we were looking for last night. We decisively blew through that 70 mark. Boom goes the dynamite. It's not up for debate any longer. Look at that explosion. And ladies and gentlemen, another alert. We are in backwardation. 73. Oh, we're out of backwardation. All new high for silver futures. Wow. We were just in backwardation majorly, but we just shifted out. $70.33 future. Remember the Shanghai Gold Exchange last night. Let me show you guys what it closed above 71, I believe. Here it is. Last night, 72.74 on the futures and 72.65 their spot market. Wow. So they're a bit ahead of us. 72, what was that? 72.65. We're at 70.29. Buckle up, ladies and gentlemen. All new high again. All new high again on silver. Channel members, you know what to do. I just updated that emoji, by the way, the all-time high. And wow. Boom goes the dynamite. $70.30. Mr. Bill to you says, I'm humping the air. I can't help it. That is so funny. Gold just kissed the all-time high of 4,497. It is imminently about to break above 4,500. Ladies and gentlemen, all new high on an all new candle. All new high on an all new candle. We just kissed $70.50. Technically, it was $70.49. I cannot keep up. We are back in backwardation, but now we're back out. 70.44, all new high on silver futures. Ladies and gentlemen, we are absolutely exploding. Is it going to stop anytime soon? Woo! Now, guys, back some months ago when we made my first target of $50 silver and $4,000 gold, and I revised my target to $75 silver and $5,000 gold, did you guys think it was possible? Did you think it was possible then? The question is, do you think it's possible now? Okay, I got to move our target. Our next target is 71, guys. Our next target is going to be 71. Wow, look at this volume. Look at this volume this morning. That was last night when the Asian markets opened. Look at that volume. Ladies and gentlemen, we're just getting started. Buckle up. Smash that like button. 380 people on the stream, but only 55 likes. Please, please smash the like button, please. Okay. Buckle up, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, take a sip of this coffee. Wow. Fun talk, man. It helped their relative purchase 200 ounces today. Wow. Great purchase. Here we go. All new high of silver, $70.49. Let's check the futures. The futures peak. Come on. Oh, you guys. This shows the market cap of all assets, public companies, precious metals, cryptos, and ETFs. Did we just pass Apple? Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Did we pass? We did not pass Apple. Oh, man, we're so close to passing Apple. Do we pass Apple today? That's the question. What do you guys think? Do we pass them today? Man, gold kissed 4,497 again. That was the all-time high from last night. Wow. Yeah, we're gonna overtake Apple soon. but man, are we close. I mean, if we get towards 71, I think we do it. I'd have to like actually calculate it, but it's got to be close. 500 people on the stream, 114 likes, guys. Please smash that like button. Helps the channel immensely, helps me do what I do around the world. We've been in and out of backwardation all morning. The market's broken, and we're just 55 subscribers away from the next big show. Coming to you live from Key West, closer to Cuba than a Walmart. 1,600 videos around the world. Guys, we have such a good time. Let's go. Are you part of the Crustacean Nation? Let us know in chat. Let's go. We're just 6 cents off from an all-time high in futures. Yellow's all-time high spot. Orange is all-time high futures. Purple's our next goal. The red is the floor. Is there a Walmart in Cuba? I do not think so. But Eric, that'd be so funny. I couldn't say that anymore. Yes, Gold Silver Junkie, I'm saying you have crabs. It's the Santa Rally. Some are calling this the Santa Rally. I put out this video yesterday. It's doing really well. Urgent bullion dealer scams exposed. So that came out yesterday. Friday, the first video from the Germania Mint comes out here. Let me copy it for you guys. It's the coin shop where the Germania Mint started in Poland. I go in there and make some purchases. So I'm going to drop that link in chat. Make sure you go to it and click notify me. On the video on the right side, there's like a little arrow to the side. You click it, it pops out. Click notify me and drop a like so you don't miss it. I was sweating and itching all night long. Does that mean I have crabs? Yes, 3D Woodworks. It does. Okay, we're on the next candle. This is a brand new candle. 5 minutes left. Are you team red or team green? At the end of 5 minutes, I'm team green, and we are getting ready to make an all new high here, guys. It's coiling. On a green candle, then red, then green with gold. I'm team green. 500 people on the stream, 152 likes, only 48 likes from 200. I know we can do it. 52 more subscribers till the next big show. Welcome to the Santa Rally. Big shout out and thank you to all the channel members. Remember, channel members, you get the cool emojis. Emojis. You support the channel, a lot of cool stuff, but you get access to the war room. We did have a leak the other day in the war room. I got a setting wrong. And some people made it into the war room that shouldn't have been there. So channel members only in the war room. What happens in the war room stays in the war room. But we had some infiltrators. Not their fault though. It was my fault. I did a setting wrong, but I fixed it. Wow. What a wild time to be alive as we've got 4.5 minutes left on this candle. 70.40. 4 cents off from an all new high on the silver futures. We want this futures price to climb. See what we could do here. Wow. Gold Silver Junkie saying, I can't believe that now a tube of generic silver is 1,400. Is that what it is now? Let me see. So we're going to do 20 times, what are we at? 70.31. $1,406. Wow. That is crazy. $1,406 for one tube. I should have stacked more. I should have stacked more. I got in the war room but couldn't comment, says the Lone Ranger. The Lone Ranger snuck in the war room through the back door that someone left cracked because they went for a smoke break. I hope you had fun, Lone Ranger. Okay, so OB Kenobi is saying LCS, which stands for local coin shop, only has a few ounces left. Going out faster than coming in. What a time to be alive. The real geared up survival snuck in the war room. I caught him red-handed. Someone left the back door cracked. All new high, all new high, all new high, all new high. What did I say? We're about to make an all new high in that candle. Are we going to 71? Are we going to 71? Ladies and gentlemen, are we going to 71? Put a 71 in chat if you think we're going to 71. It looks like Team Green is doing it. Team Green is in the lead. Wow, $70.57. We are in backwardation by more than 27 cents. We are in backwardation by more than 27 cents. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go for another push. Here we go for another push. Gold is just kind of like, I'm just chilling over here. Gold's like, I'm chilling. Let's let silver have a day in the sun. That's what gold's saying. Here we go. Channel members, do you like the new all-time high emoji? I updated it again this morning to make it clearer. Channel members, what do you think about that? I also updated the alert emoji for channel members to make it a bit bigger. Do you guys like those updates? Let me know. Level 1 channel member saying $71 an ounce and then onto the moon. What? Oh, all new high again. All new high again. Ladies and gentlemen, it looks like my target by the end of the year is $75 isn't so crazy after all. Thank you, Brian, for subscribing. You, sir, are mega. 48 more subscribers till the next big show. 630 people on, 200 likes. Thank you so much. Keep smashing it. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Woo! Okay, about to make another one here. It's about to pop. It's about to pop. Okay. That was just the tip. I'm not going to call it. It was just the tip. Just the tip. Come on. I mean, it popped through like slightly. We're not going to call that. $70.56. All new high for silver dollars. For silver futures, 70.56. All new for futures. Still in backwardation. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm giving live footage right now from the COMEX. I'm piping it in. Not looking good for the COMEX as they're panicking. Let's see. Did we just pass Apple? Let's see. Did we just pass Apple? Oh, we're so close to passing Apple in market cap. We got to take him out by the end of the day. Gold kissed the all-time high. I thought it was going to smash through 45. It still probably will. It just needs a little bit of breathing room. Wow. What a wild time to be alive, ladies and gentlemen. On this open this morning, look at that. New York got off to a fiery start. If you're a bullionaire, let me know in chat. Let's go. Where do you think silver hits if silver takes out Apple? I'm thinking 71 an ounce would do it. I'm thinking 71 an ounce would do it. We're so close. Guys, why do we stack this stuff right here? Physical silver, like this 100-ounce RCM bar. Physical gold, like these 2 half-ounce gold eagles. It's because all throughout history, this stuff right here has been actual money. 5,000 years of history. The last couple hundred, people have been tricked, deceived by this stuff. All throughout history, paper currency not backed by physical gold and silver has literally gone to zero. It's an average of 30 to 40 years every time it happens. And as I whip out my fat stack of Vietnam dong, I want to remind you, it got so bad in Zimbabwe, they went from $1 million notes, then they went to $1 billion notes, and literally $1 trillion notes And that has played out time and again around the world. But this stuff right here, like you're seeing, made by Steely the Stacker, physical silver. This is 4.9 fine crystal silver. And I've given away over 100 ounces of silver this year, ladies and gentlemen. If you want some silver or gold from me this year, put winner in chat. Make sure to subscribe. We go crazy. I just gave out prizes in silver and some gold just the other night. That was to celebrate 44,000 subscribers. That was just like a night ago. And we're already at 44,003. Remember, Crispy Bacon Jr. from a channel member said, if we break 50,000 subs by January 1st, he's donating 5 ounces of silver to give to you. Then I said, okay, if he donates it, I'm going to match it. So that's another 5 ounces I'm going to give to you. So that's 10 ounces on January 1st. If we make 50,000 subs by January 1st, then Alaska Prepper came into chat, big time YouTuber, and said, you know what? I'm jumping in too. And he pledged 5 ounces of silver. So if we hit 50,000 subscribers by January 1st, that's 15 ounces of silver coming back to y'all. Is that mega? Is that mega? Is it? Let's go. Okay, this candle's about to close. And then we're going to open on a green candle. Who likes free silver? If you like free silver, put free in chat. Okay, we got 20 seconds on the next candle. It might start green or red. We'll see. 800 people in the stream, 245 likes. Guys, just 55 more likes to 300. I know we can do it. If not for me, if not for the channel, at least so other people could find the content, wake up and become silver and gold stackers themselves. Many people become gold and silver stackers from stumbling onto a YouTube video. So silver is on a little bit of a breather right now, but is it gold's turn? Thank you so much. Only Anacre. How do I say that? Only Anacre. Yeah, only Anacre. Thank you. Channel member, thank you for the $1.99. What's a bullionaire? A bullionaire is a person who stacks physical gold and silver bullion, and they've been increased in their value, which is everyone in this chat room is a bullionaire. If you've stacked physical silver and gold bullion and it's gone up in price, you are, oh, only an acre. Oh my gosh, I'm a dum-dum. Only an acre. It for your guys' names, it like smashes them all together on the backside, so it's hard to tell. Only an acre. I'm sorry. Thank you, Son of Gun, for subscribing, and D. Smith. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready. Silver's coiling for another all-time high here. Gold's starting to look bullish as well. We're going to be forming a bull flag here, most likely. Let's see what happens there. And silver's looking good. Silver futures back up to 70.40. Guys, what a wild time to be alive. Let's check this market cap. Man, we're so close to taking out Apple. It happens today, guys. We keep moving. It happens today. Are Canadian maple leaves popular at LCS's down there? Yeah, LCS's local coin shop, guys. Yeah, people like Canadian maple leaves. As a matter of fact, I got this one sitting on my coin scope. The Tom Love coin scope. Thank you to Tom Love. But yeah, 5 ouncer. They're popular. They're more popular now that they fixed the milk spotting issue. I'll tell you that. That was annoying. My first tube of Eagles ever were so milky, I nearly just put Captain Crunch on top of them. Let's go! Thank you to James for subscribing. We're only 44 subscribers to the next big show. 800 people on, 302 likes. Thank you so much. Keep smashing that like button. 70.50. We're only 6 cents away from all-time high with the futures. Oh, wow. Look at this. Gold to silver ratio. We're in 63-1 for the first time in a long time. We're now in 63 ounces equal 1 ounce of gold. Wow. And don't forget, last night Shanghai gold closed $72.65 and the future $72.74. Wow. Thank you, Vanessa, for subscribing. Oh my gosh, come on. Come on. Shout out to Mark, not of the beast. He's tweeting me on Twitter. Where are you? As Bald Guy Money saying $70 silver. Silver futures ripped to 70.36 this morning, a clean all-time high. Momentum is accelerating, says Wall Street Gold. Rashad is saying spot silver above 70. What a wild time to be alive, guys. Gold broke higher after forming a textbook ascending triangle. Each dip is met with strong buying, creating a clear series of higher lows. As Make Gold Great is saying, it is likely becoming increasingly apparent to participants in this silver market that the market is insolvent with extremely limited availability of physical for delivery. You guys, unobtainium is coming soon. All new high silver, all new high, all new high silver, all new high, $70.68. Thank you for all the subscriptions, guys. You're all mega. Keith Peavyhouse, it hurt to buy 15 ounces at 64 last week. A week later, I'm thinking it will hurt to buy more at 71. Wishing I got more at 64. Got to focus on the ounces, not the dollars. Keith Peavyhouse, you said it right, my friend. You're going to continually to say, I wish I got more at that lower price. Again, not a financial advisor. All new high silver futures. 70.75. Boom goes the dynamite. Buckle up, guys. We're going for 71. This is not a drill, but not a financial advisor. But my target at the beginning of the year was $50 silver, 4,000 gold. People said I was insane. So too bullish. We blew by it. Then my new revised target was 75 silver, 5,000 gold, and I was met with International Stacker. You are insane. And here we are. It is in reach on both silver and gold. We're building a nice bull flag here on gold. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in for a historic day. How crazy will it get? Time will tell. Is the smackdown coming? What do you guys think? Wow. Yeah, thank you so much for that super chat, Keith Peavyhouse. Really appreciate it, my friend. Wow, wow, wow. Get ready. We're about to push another all-time high right here. 71 is in target. I need everybody to change your targets. Lock on to 71. Lock on to 71. Thank you so much over the rainbow for subscribing. Guys, we're at 44,378 subscribers. That means only 22 more subscribers till the next big show. 22, and we'll see the big show together. I'm International Stacker, coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. Over 1,600 videos around the world on gold and silver adventures. Lots of live streams. I was live streaming from the Great Pyramids when you all told me to meet someone special.
Take the camo, guys. Camel cam, guys. That's just some here.
The name Daisy.
Daisy the camel, guys. There you go. Oh, wow. Look at the 3 pyramids, guys.
And ladies and gentlemen, I'm getting live feed right now. I'm getting live feed right now from the COMEX. I'm piping it in.
We're ruined.
They are ruined. Wow. What a wild time to be alive. Let's check. Let's check. Let's see if we overtake Apple. Man, we're so close to overtaking Apple in market cap, guys. So close. When the banks came out and projected $65 silver, I knew they were being conservative about 25% of the low, and behold, we are probably going to hit around 80, says Colin Burton, channel member. Colin Burton, thank you so much for being a member. 99 soon, says Thomas Treffs. The knuckle dragger saying bombs will be expensive soon. Yeah, don't forget, silver's the best conductor of electricity. Silver's the most reflective metal. It's used in everything from cell phones to computer monitors to yoga pants, because it's antibacterial, water purification, and that even means in missiles. Silver's literally blown up all over the world, lost in landfills. And I've been saying for a long time that I think they're going to eventually mine landfills. I do. Like newer landfills to get the silver out of them to recover it. But I also know that there's neighborhoods built on landfills. So are they even mineable? I don't know. Thank you so much for subscribing, Congo. 13 more subscribers to the next big show. The Floyd Lawton saying, international stacker, by mass, silver needs to be 71.46 to beat Apple to get 4. Thank you. Thank you for calculating that. 71.46 to beat them. Thank you for calculating that, Floyd Lawton. 71.46. We can do it. I think we could do it. Peter Schiff is saying, silver is trading above 70 for the first time ever nominally. Today's record high, which won't last long, is 70.45. Gold is also trading in record territory above 48 or 44.88, having traded 5 of 4,500 overnight. The most significant thing about this rally is the disaster it portends. Gosh, I could not read that tweet. Kojak, thank you so much for the $1.99 super chat saying Apple needs silver. Silver doesn't need Apple. Dude, that is such a great point. I love that, Kojak. Very salient point here. Okay, brand new candle. The last one is red. We got 5 minutes. Are you team green or team red? I'm team green. I'm team green. Are you guys team green or team red? Let us know in chat. Let us know. Silver futures still 70.60. Spot. So we're back in contango by 2 cents, by 4 cents. Just Dario is saying the rate to borrow silver ETF shares from short selling is now 0.59%. This is the most glaring evidence smart money knows silver is heading much higher, and nobody can stop the train until it comes to a natural halt by itself. As Wall Street Gold is saying, silver futures 70.75 this morning, new all-time high. Guys, are you excited? Who's excited? And thank you so much to Weed Jeep for the $10 super sticker. That's your first super ever on my live streams. Thank you so much for doing that. You, sir, are mega. A smart silver stacker saying silver just took out 70. Triple digit silver's coming in 2026. Okay, do you guys think my target, because remember I revised my target back in October once we took out 50 to 75. Who thinks 75 is likely? Put likely in chat if you think we're going to do it by the end of the year. Put unlikely in chat if you don't think we're going to reach it. If you think Mr. Slammy's going to come in here and keep us under 75. And go figure, they're both getting slammed at the exact same time. Exact same slam. Something tells me we're not going to take it. All the silver, gold, stackers, hoarders, numismatists, alongside our brethren and sisters from Wall Street Silver, Wall Street Bets, literally holding the line against the banker, holding on for dear life against the bankers, storming the beaches, figuratively, of JP Morgan Chase. Okay, we got some people think it's going to happen. Some people think it's not. Some people are saying 73 today. If we hit 73 today, we're going to be the number 3 by the top asset market class. Gold is won by trillions. Then Nvidia, then Apple. Once we take out Apple, Nvidia's not far behind, and we will reclaim our place right under gold, our rifle place. 70.61. Wow, 70.75 is the all-time high for silver futures. That purple's our target. We've got a pretty decent red candle here with See what happens. Remember, they do the smackdowns, but they don't last. They used to last, but now they don't. So do not be dissuaded. We've got over 1,000 people on the stream. Guys, smash that like button. We only have 383 subscribers, or 383 likes. Guys, smash that like button. Not only does it help the channel immensely, help me do what I do, but it literally wakes up more people to physical gold and silver. As Roadkill, who's been a member for 2 months, is saying, smash that like button. Roadkill's actually been a member for a lot longer. I think that's just when they renewed their membership. They've been one for a lot longer. But guys, for everyone new, why do we stack this stuff right here? Physical silver. Look at that puppy. Physical silver. Why do we stack it? Why do we stack this stuff right here? Physical gold. Because all throughout history, this paper stuff you see right here, they've told you to retire on it. They've told you it was worth something. And all throughout history, it's always gone to zero. And as I whip out my Vietnam dong and plop it on top of that stack, I want to remind you, it got so bad in Zimbabwe, they went from $1 million notes, they went to $1 billion notes, and they went to $1 trillion notes. And that's why we here are celebrating this meteoric rise in the silver price and the gold price. But is it like a bubble? No. Is it because of hype and FOMO? No. It's the end of 45 years of manipulation by the big banks. And before you leave and say this is a conspiracy, just Google it. JP Morgan Chase paid $920 million fine. UBS, Deutsche Bank, they're all paying fines for manipulation of the market. It's not conspiracy, it's fact. Big shout out to Milan for gifting a International Stacker membership. Congratulations to Standing Foot. You received it. Check out your new emojis and say thank you to Milan. And Roadkill did one as well. We've got a gifting train on our hands. And Roadkill gifted a membership and it went to Rhett Bud. Congratulations. You now have a channel membership. And guys, remember, channel members get access to the channel member only live streams called the War Room. And what happens in the War Room stays in the War Room. Let's go. For everyone just joining who has no idea who I am, the name's International Stacker, coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. 1,600 videos around the world on gold and silver adventures. We live stream all over the place. I was just in Poland. You guys tell me where to go and what to do. We were cruising down the Nile River together when we got attacked by pirates.
Okay, this boat is coming like really close to us. Guys, it's gonna hit the boat. Oh, this is not good. Guys, it's a freaking pirate. Oh my gosh, what's happening? All right, guys, look for art. Does anyone see an RPG in there? Oh, he's selling things.
That was actually a salesman. I bought some stuff off him and gave it to you guys. As a matter of fact, I gave away over 100 ounces of silver this last year alone and a bunch of gold. So subscribe, turn on those notifications because you don't want to miss it. And ladies and gentlemen, we're sitting at 44,395 subscribers. 5 more subscribers till we get the next big show. We'll do it live. And thank you, We Jeep, for becoming a channel member. You are mega. Big mega. Conk Republic forever, says Level 1. Love it. Thank you so much to Jay Bush for subscribing. As silver futures is still in the 70s, 70, 71. Gold is looking like it might recover from the smackdown. Silver is bouncing back from the smackdown. Our all-time high for silver we just made was 70.68. Gold, we kissed the 4,497 level again. And gold to silver ratio, we're down to 63-1. And ladies and gentlemen, we are getting close to taking out Apple. If you look at total market cap for all assets, public companies, precious metals, cryptos, ETFs, we are getting close to taking out Apple into third place with silver. And boy, oh boy, is that going to be some mega territory, as we are now seeing 3 more minutes in this candle. It's fighting to turn back green. Do what we can do here. Smash that like button if you're excited. Let's refresh this. Let's see what everybody's saying online. Ladies and gentlemen. Okay, first let's do this. You should be following the dude. The silver market traded 545 million paper ounces yesterday. Guys, this is how dirty it is. The COMEX is the US platform, the bullion banks that trade. And look at this. 545 million paper fake ounces that were traded yesterday that don't even exist. Remember, we produce about 835 million ounces of silver annually. We consume about 1.2 billion ounces of silver annually. It's getting worse. New mines take anywhere between 10 to 15 years to come online unless they accelerate it. Then it's really like 5 to 10, but still a long time. We hit peak silver production in 2016. We've decreased every year from that 1 to 3%. So it's only getting worse. And yesterday, as the dude said, they traded 545 million paper ounces to try to manipulate the price. As Eric Young in China saying, my brokers can't believe the gains I'm making with my gold and silver miners, especially since I methodically bought them all at their lows throughout 23 and 24. Bald Guy Money saying, remember when you could buy a gram of gold for less than 100? People said, those premiums are outrageous. But if that was you, if that was all you could afford, that 1 gram at spot is now worth more than 140. Gold succeeded as money. Love that tweet. If you guys don't know Bald Guy Money, he's got a YouTube. Great guy. Silver Santa saying a bull market started for real. And I thought I was following Silver Santa as well. And then we'll read one more here. Spot silver crosses 70 and it's not a breakout. It's a signal. This isn't just retail euphoria or a late cycle chase, says macro liquidity. It's a repricing under stress. We're witnessing the rebirth of money fiat tried to kill and suppress. Reality is simple. Paper can't suppress substance forever. When gold anchors and silver accelerates, it tells you your liquidity is tightening somewhere out of sight. Capital is rotating back to what settles without trust. 70 isn't the end of the move. It's where denial starts to fill. Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up. As investing.com's even saying silver rises to all new highs. $70 an ounce. Ladies and gentlemen, it has been an explosive trading morning. 1,100 people in the stream, 492 likes. We're only 8 likes away from 500. I know we can do it. And ladies and gentlemen, I think we did it. Channel members, get ready for the big show. If we see this go to 444, it's time for the big show. Here we go. 44,400 subscribers. Thank you so much. It's time for the big show.
Welcome to the 4th Annual Crystal Light National Aerobic Championship, featuring regional finalists from all across the United States competing for the title of America's Best Aerobic Athlete. Presenting the reigning 1987 Crystal Light National Aerobic Champions.
Introducing the 4-time Crystal Light champion,
Big show.
International Stacker.
4-time, baby. As silver rages on, gold's raging on. Gold to silver ratio in the 63s to 1. Who's excited? Smash that like if you're excited. This is going to be an explosive day. And guys, copper is raging. Platinum's raging. Last I checked, palladium is raging. And we are just 88 subscribers away from the next big show. And guys, remember, if we hit 50,000 subscribers by January 1st, I'm going to give away another 15 ounces of silver on the channel. I gave away over 100 in the last year and a bunch of gold. 5 is from me. 5 is from Crispy Bacon Jr. and the Alaska Prepper. Pledge 5 ounces to give away to y'all. So if you want to win some silver and gold, if you want to stack for free, make sure you subscribe, turn on those notifications. As Medic 1541 in chat is saying, congrats, International Stacker. There we go. Your channel just keeps growing. Don't forget about us little people. I'm not forgetting about anybody. We're all the Crustacean Nation together. Let's go. Real Geared Up Survival said, winner, he just won a giveaway the other night. He made a short about it. If you guys don't know, Real Geared Up Survival seems to be becoming a content creator, because he did put out this short. Look here. And in the short, he shows where he spun. This is him on the wheel. That's where he spun the wheel and he got the jackpot. So check out the Real Geared Up Survival. That was his short of winning a giveaway on the channel. And if you want a chance to win in the future, make sure you subscribe, turn on those notifications. I go live all the time, all over the world. It wasn't that long ago when I was at the Great Pyramids of Giza and you guys told me to get on a camel.
So take the camel, guys. Camel cam, guys. That's just some here.
The name Daisy.
Daisy the camel, guys. There you go. Oh, wow, look at the 3 pyramids, guys.
And breaking news, ladies and gentlemen, I'm getting a live feed right now from the floor of the COMEX. I'm going to pipe it in.
I run.
The bankers are panicking as we're pushing back against 45 years of suppression, a 45-year cup and handle that is formed, and we are now not breaking out. We are conducting what's called true price discovery for silver and gold. Remember, the majority of gold mined is accounted for, like 98, 99%. It's accounted for. It's in safes, it's in jewelry, it's in coins, it's in bars, whatever. The majority of silver ever mined has been destroyed. It's the #1 conductor of electricity, the most reflective metal. It's in clothing that's destroyed forever. It's in bombs that blow up and is destroyed forever. It's in e-waste that is never recycled and thrown away into landfills. And I do think eventually landfills will get mined. But what about the landfills that have had neighborhoods built on them? If you're 20 years old, stack copper, says Wolf. Now, I don't stack copper. I have a few copper pieces, but I had some channel members send me copper a long time ago. Pirate Stacker, got that from him in a video. Predator Casting made me one of these. And then Scorpion Metals, this was like 5 years ago, sent me one of these. And all of a sudden, these copper bars are starting to look a little fancy. Discovery, what a great word, says Bad Monkey. Yeah, we're in price discovery. Go up here. Congratulations to everyone in the stream who's won gold and silver recently. Thank you to all the channel members for your support. Thank you for all the super chats and new channel members. Remember, when you super chat or become a member or gift a membership, it helps the channel immensely. Helps me do what I do, traveling the world on gold and silver ventures and giving back to y'all. But you can support the channel without spending a dime. You can like a stream, share a stream, like a video, share the channel, smash that like on this one. We're up to 549. Can I get one more to 550? Can we do it? Big shout out to Olean Acre for the super chat, Kojak for the super chat, Keith Peavy House for super chat. Thank you so much. Thank you to Roadkill and Milan for gifting an International Stacker Channel membership to 2 folks. And welcome to Weed Jeep for becoming a channel member. And remember, channel members get access to the war room. And what happens in the war room, member only live streams, stay in the war room. And ladies and gentlemen, I got one thing to bring up. And I feel passionate about this. It's important. With the gold and silver prices, more and more people are going to scam. As a matter of fact, let me grab something. I want to show you guys something. I want to show you guys something. Uno momento. 1 second here. How bad it is. Here's how bad it is currently and how bad it's gonna get. This coin right here, actually, let me do this. This coin right here is a fake coin. Besides the fake copy stamped in it, look at it's got wear on the date. Hold up, let me fix it. It's got wear on the date. Like, it looks very good. They're now counterfeiting 90% silver with wear on it to trick you, to steal your hard-earned money. Look at this Morgan silver dollar. This is fake. The fakes are so good coming out of China. The one way and the easiest way to protect yourself is called the pocket pinger. Link is in the description below. It's cheaper, much cheaper than a 1 ounce of silver. It comes with the free phone application that measures the frequency, takes all the guessing out. So you just ping it and it tells you if the coin is real silver or real gold. Let me play it for you in the mic. This is the sound of real money. You hear that? That's real money. So get yourself a pocket pinger. I think it's a must for all stackers, especially new stackers. It saves you from 1 coin, it pays for itself. And if you do the link in the description below, you get the best deal on it and you support the channel. Thank you so much. Silver futures, let's check in. 70.40. We're creeping back up. The all-time high for futures was 70.75. Yeah, fakes are getting, you guys, fakes are getting so good. And it looks like Slammy McSlammerson is attacking gold. Don't panic though. I'm not. And we're going to move sideways here and consolidate a bit, but we are forming a bull flag. Try to get this thing perfect. Bloop. So let's see what happens. If we can move sideways in this flag and then break decisively out, we're going for 71. Yeah, guys, who can believe that silver's all-time high was 76? Yeah, I mean, I knew it was coming. I've been calling it for years. But most importantly, this year, my target of 75. But like to actually see it happen, it's just like, it's totally validating. Let the counterfeits begin, says Snatch Century. Certainly. Go back over here. Let's refresh it. Smash that like button, guys. Subscribe. We are only 79 subscribers from the next big show. Eric Young saying silver broke through 70 USD with force. It sure did. Silver 70.68. Silver is squeezing again. You guys, I believe we've been in a silver short squeeze situation for a while now, but it's definitely starting to accelerate, and it could really accelerate. That escalated quickly, says Gold Silver HQ. Look at that. I love that. Silver's $104.50 Australian. Kane is celebrating. Awesome. Congratulations, Kane. Look at this. Platinum up more than 7% today. Wow. Platinum is raging. Breaking. Gold tops 4,500 per ounce for the first time ever. That was last night. And it didn't. I mean, futures it did. We have a big problem, says No Limit. Gold is ripping while stocks are at all-time highs. This almost never happens, and it rarely ends well. Gold is up 67% year to date, nearly 10 times the average yearly return. Insane. Every investor should be paying attention. Here's the big problem. Historically, gold moves against risk assets, not alongside them. When equities are making all new highs, okay. What's the difference? I can't read this. It's too long. I'm going to read it later. That is not a streamable thing, but I'll read that later. When I'm officially exiting all markets, I'll post here. Okay, hold up. Either gold is wrong or equities are. Okay, I'm not going to read. I'm going to have to read that later. I don't know if I agree with that. Just far too long to get to the bottom of it. And guys, don't forget, China's about to have their export controls. Their export controls on silver are happening in January. And Zeph is saying, International Stacker, what do you think boomers are doing that had a chance to buy it all at $2 an ounce or lower and never did? They're throwing up in their mouths. That's what they're doing. That's what I'd be doing. Ah, no. Oh, no. Okay, Pakistan Zinda is saying my first target is 97 with a 38-to-1 gold to silver ratio. Let's see if Pakistan Zinda in chat gets it. Shanghai silver spot is 72.60 right now. SGT Stacking's in the house, guys. SGT Stacking is not only a channel member, not only a moderator, but he's also a content creator. He is a silversmith. He's made me a few really awesome pieces here on the channel. So when you have a minute, check out his stuff. But look at this. One of my favorite pieces of all time, SGT Stacking. He made that with the IS Privy. I also got Thor's hammer from SGT. And he made that. Is that mega? Pretty mega. You guys, we're filling in this bull flag. Remember, if we fill this bull flag in and break out decisively, we're probably going to 71. And maybe we will be dethroning Apple. Let's go. Zipper Fixture saying, not this boomer. Love it. And we're at 44,426 subscribers. Thank you so much. Only 74 more subs till the next big show. Go. I hear Mrs. IS rustling around outside. I hear Mrs. IS rustling around. Guys, we're looking good here. It might get exciting here in a minute. Don't go anywhere because you might miss it. It might get super exciting here in a second. 75 futures all-time high. Massive inventory withdrawals hit the COMEX. Get it while you can, says Don Darnett. See what's going on here. This is the easy way to get on the stream, guys. Just tweet something at me. Wow. Silver's starting to look really strong here. Buckle up. We got 50 seconds left in this candle. See what we could do here. Do you guys think another breakout is imminent? Put breakout in chat if you think another one's imminent. It could be. Thank you, Damon, for subscribing. Someone in chat just said unobtainium is coming soon. Unobtainium means when gold and silver's go ripping so hard and everyone and their mom is FOMOing in and there's no physical silver anywhere, you won't be able to obtain it. That's why people call it an unobtainium. And I believe that was coined by Mike Maloney back in the day. And Jaffo is upset about their employer in Canada. Sorry about that, Jaffo. Coin shops want to pay under spot using the excuse that it might pull back, but it keeps charging on. Hold tight, diamond hands. Do you have diamond hands or diamond claws? Throw those in chat. Let us know. SGT, we're gonna have to work on two things. I want to get some silver claw pours. We need to do a rat stacker pour, and we need to plan that YouTube pour. And speaking of YouTube, guys, we're at 44,431 subscribers. If we hit 15,000 or if we hit 50,000 subscribers by January 1st, 15 ounces of silver are going to be given to you. 5 of them donated by Crispy Bacon Jr., but only if we hit 50K. 5 of them donated by me, and 5 of them donated by Alaska Prepper. 15 ounces. Who wants them? Quality Productions, thank you for subscribing. You are mega. Wow. 68 more subscribers until the next big show, guys. Only 68 to go. We can do it. Can you go sub this? Can you go to sub-second updates? Maybe that's too fast for the live stream. I mean, I like 5-minute candles, honestly. Here's the 1 second. Upgrade now. Oh, well, it won't let me go lower than a minute. I need to upgrade for lower than a minute. We can leave it on the minute for a little bit, but I honestly prefer 5 minutes. I'm not gonna lie, International Stacker. I was hoping for a pullback to buy more melt, but it's all blowing up in my face. Yeah. Hey, I've been warning. I've been saying, hey, if you're waiting for a pullback, it's probably going to be eventually happening, but it might be from 80 to 77. Not the pullback you're looking for. Okay, we have 3 minutes left in this candle. If you're team green, put green in chat. If you're team red, put red in chat. Here, thank you so much for subscribing, BJ Bumblebee. Jonathan Herbert, channel member, saying, do you class your 50-90% silver as whole ounce, or do you times them by the percentage? Oh, by the percentage. Well, no, here's what I do. I convert them. So if I have like of 90% silver constitutional, that's easy. 0.715 is the accepted equation there. So if it's like $50 face, I just times that by 0.715 and that's converts it into troy ounces. 50%, I would weigh it and then cut it in half to get the troy ounces. So how I value my stack is how many ounces of 999 fine silver I have, not total ounces. That, if that makes sense, that's how I do it. Yeah, okay, so Thomas Smith in chat saying, yeah, I was like, I'll buy in February when it drops 10%. But then I realized it will be from 85 high to 70s. For beginning stackers, it's already close to unobtainium. Well, but here's the thing. Unobtainium means you can't get it at like any price, okay? So yeah, for many people, it's unobtainium because of the price. But the true meaning of that is physical shortage of silver, no matter what you're willing to pay. How many days left to trade in 2025? Count them. Let's count them. Man, we're already tomorrow's Christmas Eve. Okay. Instead of counting them, I'm going to be smart here and leverage AI. How many more trading days left in 2025 for the COMEX? Let's see. Okay, AI saying we have 3 to 4 more trading days in 2025. The 22nd, 23rd, partial day 24th. Leaving this 26th to the 31st. Dude, this Google AI is not good. So how many days is it? So we got, okay, let me count this. 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 days, something like that. I was not prepared for that question. I'll have to look deeper. Thunder, thank you for the subscription. Basically, it's like 5 days or under left in trading. Got to focus when I'm making my lines. Silver futures, 70.42. Gold's creeping along. Woo! There we go. 900 people on the stream. 632 likes. That means only 28 more likes. No, 18 more likes to 650. I know we can do it. And guys, we're at 44,443 subscribers. Thank you so much. That means we're literally only 57 subscribers away from the next big show. And if you have not seen a big show, you haven't lived. March is huge for physical delivery month on the COMEX. Might see another explosion. The level 1, what do you think price will be by March before the explosion? That's the question. Remember, not a financial advisor, but I've said for a while now, if we hit my target by 75 silver, 5,000 gold by the end of the year, that I thought triple digit silver was gonna happen in the first quarter of 2026. Nominally, remember, if you correct for inflation from the $50 price of 1980, it's over 208 of today's dollars. Same thing for 2011, that's over 72 of today's dollars. So although we're at all new highs nominally, if you correct for inflation, they have been higher. Medic 1541 saying, how can anyone watch the stream and not hit the like button? Come on, man, hit that like button. Sorry, not sorry for the caps. Laugh out loud. It's okay, Medic. That was a priority transmission. You're all good. Let's take a poll, international stacker. Whoever is the closest to the cent of the price, I will gift 1 kilogram silver bar. Deal? I mean, that's crazy. I don't know if I could facilitate something like that. That's a lot of logistics, but here's what I will do. I will start a poll in chat. And I'm going to write a poll right now. And let me see. What is today? Today is Okay, by the time. Come in. Okay, let me think here. One second here. I'm writing this poll for you guys to take. Here it comes. Okay, here comes the poll. Poll coming in hot. I want to see what you guys think. And I know you're not all Eastern Standard Time, but I had to put a time on it, so we're all answering it the same, okay? I had to put a time on it. So 9 a.m. Eastern tomorrow morning. It'll probably rest on Christmas at 22. Okay, let me do... Silver does trade Christmas Eve, but limited hours. Christmas Day, nothing's trading. I wonder if the Asian market. Okay. Checking New Year's. So partial trading on Christmas Eve. Of course, nothing Christmas Day. Asian markets could still do stuff with other folks, but not on the COMEX. It looks like New Year's Day is open as well. No, closed on New Year's. Okay. Hey, happy holidays to everybody. Happy Hanukkah, happy Kwanzaa, happy whatever you celebrate. Merry Christmas. Jonathan Herbert saying, I believe there will be a horde of stackers looking to cash in at 100. What are your thoughts? Jonathan Herbert, yeah, so there's these psychological numbers and barriers. And whenever you hit those levels, for sure, like 100 was a big one, 50 was a big one. So I do think you're going to see some people sell, but I think a lot of the paper weak hands are going to be shaken out before then. Like if my goal was to sell to $100 an ounce silver, which it's not, but if my goal was to sell and get out, I would not be selling at 100. I'd be selling at like 98. Because again, those barriers you either see explosions or pullbacks, right? So if I was looking to sell, which to be clear, I'm not, I'd be selling under 100. So I think many other weak paper hands that have like an ounce of analysis in their brains would do the same thing. So I think we might see a lot of the weak paper hands get shaken out at or just below that 100 mark. Does that make sense? Yeah, I wouldn't sell it at all either, Gregory. Again, I was just hypothetically speaking. Hypothetically speaking, not selling. Not selling. As a matter of fact, I've put orders in for my casket to be made, poured of my silver, and stamped by MK Bars. No, I'm kidding. A custom ordered casket, guys, of poured silver. That's funny. We've got 58 more subscribers to the next big show. We've got 900 people on the stream, 686 likes. Thank you so much. Just 14 more likes to 700. I know we can do it. Who is not weak? Let me see some diamond claws, says the real geared up survival. All right, let's check this poll. So far, 200 people about have voted. By tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 52% think will be between 70 to 72. 18% think will be sub 70. 6% say to the moon. 24% say 72 plus. Let's roll. Love it. SDCC Crasher channel members got diamond claws. Jonathan Herbert, Lodi, Mr. Tuvok, all channel members have diamond claws. SoFly Stacking, Seth Gonzalez have diamond claws. The gold to silver ratio is currently 63.5 to 1. We got as low as 63.32. We're just hanging out here, getting closer to taking out Apple. Guys, this consolidation is very strong. It's very bullish. And this level, you don't want to just keep going straight up. You want to make a move, then consolidate, make a springboard to go more. So that's fine. Not a financial advisor, but I prefer moves like that. They're definitely not as fun. It's definitely way more fun to be like, we're going on, we're on, like nonstop. But also too, I need, if I keep yelling like that, I'll lose my voice. Thank you to Vinny for subscribing. Guys, we're at 44,444 subscribers. 44444. Wow. One more like to 700. We're at 699 likes. Who's it going to be? The next person to hit like is going to get good luck for 15 years or your money back. Woo! 700 likes. We did it. Thank you so much. What's going on here? Mr. Slammy back?
Run.
I feel bad for Mortimer. He's had about 5,000 heart attacks on this channel. Wow. Surf? Wow. Surf's ankle. Oh, Mrs. IS just walked in with the fresh cup of her coffee. Thank you so much, Mrs. IS. Look at that beautiful girl. Beautiful woman. Okay. What was I just reading? Okay. Surf's ankle was planning on working until 2030, but I will announce my retirement to my family on Christmas Day. Not joking. That's amazing. Congratulations. Everyone say congratulations to Surfs. Pakistan Zinda saying, I am a financial advisor and I say, do not sell your silver slowly. Trade it for gold at 40 to 1 and lower. So Pakistan Zinda saying they want to play the gold silver ratio. Once silver goes up crazy, will people have a crap about proofs and mint states? Will everything just be priced the same? Well, and in Daystar, when you have explosions in the spot price, yeah, premiums plummet, but true numismatic coins are always going to have their place. But it's going to be rough. It's going to be rough seas for sure. Ladies and gentlemen, we got a major slam. Major slam. The bankers are pissed. Bankers are pissed. Major slam. But are we going to rebound here? Let's see what happens. These slam downs don't last that much longer than they used to. They used to be more than $1 plus and last for hours and days and sometimes weeks and months. Now they're like sub $1 and they last for 5-minute candles. And Steven's saying Dave Ramsey still thinks gold is stupid. I know. I actually like a lot of the work Dave Ramsey does. But like he misses the boat big time on physical gold and silver, unfortunately. But he has done a lot of good for people, helped a lot of people get out of debt. Guys, do not leverage yourself to get into gold and silver. Do not leverage yourself. Never ends well. Crab attack now, says SoFly. Channel members, flood the channel with war. We got to fight back against Mortimer.
I run.
And Silver Brewer saying GDP numbers came in much better than expected. Price will start to drop for a bit. That's what Silver Brewer's saying. Okay, guys, I've got a catastrophic situation going on here. I've got a bad situation. Who wants to hear about it? Miners. Wow, Jesse Colombo saying, now that gold has finally broken out, I see it rallying to 5,200 fairly quickly based on the measured move principle. Guys, for the first time ever, I've got to poop on a live stream. I got to poop. So I'm going to mute the mic. I'll be right back. Keep partying, keep having fun. And as a matter of fact, here's what I'll do. I'll go Bammer. Pull this out here. Oh, wait a second. I hate when it does this. Oh, wait, I pulled out the wrong chat. I pulled out the right. It will like switch on me. Okay, here we go. So here's gold on the right. Here's silver on the left. Second here. I will be right back. We'll be right back Luckily, it doesn't take me 10 years. I'm like a deer. It just comes out in pellets. I'll be right back. I'm back. I'm back. What's my time? What was my time? Who timed it? Who timed it? What was my time? It was not 48 seconds. It was longer than that. Guys, yeah. Quick. I'm efficient. If I was an international stacker, my name would be the efficient pooper. Welcome everyone to the stream. 800 people. We're gonna go here for a bit longer. A bit longer we'll go for here. Looks like this attack is getting rejected. We got 55 more seconds on this candle, but that major slam is getting, and that's what I'm talking about. So it went from 70.28 to 60.45, 69.49. So not even a full dollar. And then on the next candle, immediately rejected. Gold's getting rejected too. International stacker, did you hold your... Nah. Ethan C, behave. Was it a big brown candle? That's funny. That's funny. You deserve the button I pooped today. Thank you, medic. Are we going to the war room after this? We can't this morning because I got to go straight to the chiropractor and get my back cracked. Dude, you guys, chiropractors work magic. So we won't be going to the war room. I got to go stream until I got to go to the chiropractor. But with the price action today, I will most likely be doing a live stream mid or end of day. And you've got my commitment on this. If I don't do a big live stream for the whole world, I will do a channel members war room only live stream sometime later today. But odds are we'll probably be doing market close or something before that. And whatever that next live stream is, if I don't do a dedicated standalone war room, I'll do a war room right after that. And remember, guys, channel members, besides the cool emojis and other things, they also get access to channel member only live streams called the War Room. And what happens in the War Room stays in the War Room, except when the real Geared Up Survival and a band of others snuck in the back door the other day. But I fixed it. Won't happen again. Inflation works differently, says Smart Silver Stacker. Come on, get out of there. When you don't save in fiat currency, it does hit different. But also, I love that. Breaking Spot Silver surges through 70. Big silver futures here. 69.83. Yeah, we're gonna have some sideways consolidation, guys, for the foreseeable future in short runs. We might see a little afternoon rally, might see an end of day rally, or we might just kind of consolidate our gains for the rest of the day and then let the Asian markets rip tonight. Remember, tomorrow, Christmas Eve, is limited hours in the COMEX. Let me see what are trading hours on COMEX for Christmas Eve. It's modified hours tomorrow. Future markets close early, typically around 12:15 p.m. Eastern Standard or Central Time. So that means 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow, it will probably close. So we do have another night for the Asian market just to rage, which is good. That's fine. Consolidate away. I want to buy a couple ounces, says John Goldsworthy. 100%. Bankers don't like 70. Totally true.
Run.
Totally true. All right, guys. I got to get ready for the chiropractor, but let me end this poll. Here's the results of that poll. What you guys think for tomorrow? Thank you, everybody, for coming. The name's International Stacker. I am closer to Cuba than a Walmart. Coming to you live from Key West, Florida. We travel the world on gold and silver adventures after this stuff. Physical silver. After this stuff. Physical gold. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Smash like. Turn on the notifications. I will most likely be going live later today, at least for the War Room for channel members, but also might do one more general stream today. Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up. One more day until Christmas, not counting today because we have Christmas Eve tomorrow, obviously. So
One stacker on a journey
to find
silver.
International Stacker.
Mega!